Well, BITPoint, the company behind Peach Aviation, which allows travellers to use Bitcoin to pay for tickets, is looking at ways to take over the high streets of Japan. It's planning to give hundreds of thousands of retailers the ability to accept the payments. And to find out how, well, joining us now from Tokyo is our technology reporter, Reed Stevenson. Reed, is Bitcoin rising, I guess, usage, I should say, rising in Japan? And what's sort of changed that?
A few things are going on here. It's really interesting. Big Camera, one of the nation's biggest electronics retailers, they recently started accepting Bitcoin in 2 of their stores in Tokyo. And that's, part of a larger trend of growing interest in the cryptocurrency, and especially its use in a retail environment rather than as a sort of a speculative tool or, one that only geeks want to use. And so one restaurant booking site has started using it, and now the plan by BITPoint, which was behind an initiative by an aviation company to start accepting Bitcoin, they are trying to get it into stores nationwide. They're going to work with a payments terminal provider, and ultimately their goal is to get it into convenience stores, which are just ubiquitous in Japan. And if that happens, then it looks like there'll be even more of a foundation for Bitcoin use to really accelerate here in Japan.
Right. And the other thing I've seen, of course, is this meteoric rise in the price of Bitcoin. What's been driving that? We know that China was a big part of the story, but what does BITPoint think about it?
It is really interesting. There are a lot of factors behind the rise. Part of it is speculative trading, a little bit of hoarding going on probably, and also some recent changes that have made it difficult to essentially move out of Bitcoin. So all of that has contributed to it reaching record levels, and that's also contributing to the heightened interest in this cryptocurrency.